Hey guys, it's Paul. I wanted to do like a bit of an impromptu video, but a few people have asked me for something like this in the past, and I didn't know if it was something that would take off or be interesting for as a journey thing on the training channel. And you probably see by the title something like, "Can I?" Oh God, what have I called the title? Start a business without social media, or can I do a completely different business than what I've got? So in obviously I do online training, I do YouTube videos giving people training, and I have sat in this room for probably 4 or 5 years just doing videos, and not getting out much, to a point at the start of lockdown last year, because it was such a rainy winter. um, I I'd not been out much. I'd just been in this flipping cave, and I got vitamin D deficiency, and the doctor gave me some high-powered vitamin D tablets at the right very start of um, lockdown. So I thought, can I take my business and have half training and half an outdoor business? And the PNUK channel, the PNUK channel, you may have seen it or may have not seen some stuff from that, became a slot channel in lockdown, and even more stay inside, play online, play unhealthy games, lose money, drinking. The opposite of what I should have done is what happened. So with Punk, can I create a brand that is, what I'm thinking is outdoor? It's disconnected from the internet. It is, funnily enough, it's going to be on the internet, but it's going to promote. Yesterday I did the first geocaching video where I went out and got back to geocaching. I reset my geocaching account. I actually started a new geocaching, and I found 4 geocaches yesterday. And if you don't know geocaching, it's little hidden treasure trails that are out everywhere. And there's little, you basically got to go out and find them, and there's clues. And you find a little, basically a piece of paper that you write your profile name on, and then you go to the next one. But there's absolutely thousands of them. Right, when you start looking, oh, they're everywhere. So can I build a geocaching, going out geocaching business, whether I'm just filming it for YouTube or we're creating, we know a few, like my friend Mick does a lot, and he knows a lot of trails that would be really good to do meetup events. So if we've got, people want to meet up, and we'll take them around proper geo trails. I don't know why they're not all showing today. Yesterday on this map, everything was showing, but today, of course, the internet is playing up. But there's absolutely, I shared a video picture yesterday of them. I don't know why they're not showing. Why aren't you showing geo whatever it is? Have I got a filter on or something? Near and far. Home, current, add 500. Oh shit. No, I don't. But anyway, there's thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of geocaches. So I'm going to do going out. And another reason. So come here. Sorry. Come here. Come here. Come here. This is another reason. Everybody knows. Oh, good God. Shit show. Everybody knows I got a dog in lockdown as well. Sonny, come here. I'm going to have to go grab him. He's not having it. Come. So, to explore Yorkshire and beyond, me and Sonny are just going to go out and have a WALK, and we're just going to do random geocaches. But finding what's great about it is there's loads of different places you'd never go to if it wasn't for the geocache. Who's this? Who's that? Who's that? Is that me and you? Is that me and you? Oh, I got a mouthful of fur then. So, part of it is geocaching. Can we build a business around geocaching events, or just doing geocaching videos, but maybe meetups and all of a sudden, and all sort of things like that? Another part of Punk and Happy Me Golf is golf and going out doing golf events, playing golf. The more I play golf, the better I am. The more I'm disconnected from the online world, the better I am. So going out geocaching, going out golfing, and again, golfing meetups, playing golfs on different courses, doing videos on it, trying to get people out and about geocaching and golfing. If that's what we can do, I think it'd be a good for me and a good opposite side of the business of everything being disconnected from the internet. Whereas one side of my business is staring at the internet all day, the other side's going to be getting out, geocaching, getting outdoors, going to different places, going to and playing golf and stuff. So it's outdoors, disconnected off the internet. So that, for a reason, is... I'll come to the third part of the business in a bit. I'm not doing it on Facebook. I'm not building a business around YouTube. I am building a business around YouTube. I'm not doing it around any other social media network. I am not joining Instagram. I'm not joining Twitter. The whole point of this side of the business is to get away from the internet, is to get people offline. There's going to be online and offline. This is to get people offline, back into their own heads, out into the world. So there will only be a forum, a punk forum, PNUK.com, and that's it. So there may be a punk website, a punk forum, and eventually there might be a shop. So as I create the website and as I create the shop, I'll do tech videos on that. But I want people to drop into the forum, add what they're doing. Maybe there's going to be events there. Maybe there's going to be a big golfing meetup somewhere where we have a weekend away. But we're not going on social media. The third aspect is the events side of... I'm going to be going to Sheffield United. I'm going to British Superbikes next week. I want, again, out and about doing stuff, out physically doing events. And you can see it here, back in 2009, I did a charity event, people may know or may not, called the Drink with Paul Experience, where I basically said, if you donate to charity, to Brains Trust, I'll come and have a drink with you. And I shot off everywhere and drank with lots of different people. Now, I don't want it to be about drinking, but there's nothing wrong with a few beers and getting out and having events, is it? And the Drink with Paul Experience currently has raised £13,000 for Brains Trust in the memory of my mum, who died of a brain tumour back in 2006. So there's a goal there to raise $1 million or earn $1 million for Brains Trust. So I'm going to fire that back up. So I'm going to be doing videos like... me and Ben went to Sheffield United. So we're going to Sheffield United next Saturday, but I might have an event where anybody from Sheffield or Huddersfield next week want to meet up for a drink or just a chat. We're going to be... Saturday, we're going to be at Sheffield United. On Sunday, we're going to be at Cadwell Park, British Superbikes. So all of a sudden, we're going to be out geocaching. We're going to be out golfing. We're going to be out going to events, doing fun events that may involve drinking, but we're going to encompass some charity stuff into it. We're going to do some weight loss charity events or something like that. Challenges more than anything, and pound for pound challenges. Every pound I lose, I'll donate £1 to that charity, or something like that. So there'll be all sorts of getting outside, getting off the internet. And the final part that is there, and I've considered it, is punk gaming. Is what I've been doing is I've been playing on my PlayStation, but as you can see, this one, Birthday Road to Nowhere, I've actually been riding my Peloton bike at the same time. So I've been doing stuff, but playing. And again, I don't think gaming, like drinking, like anything else, is bad for you. It disconnects you from the world. If you're not listening to the stupid chat in gaming, I've always thought playing computer games disconnects you from the world as well. And I think everything to do with punk or PNUK disconnects you from the online world, disconnects you from bullshit social media. And if you know what I mean, I hate social media. And I think gaming gets you away from it for a few hours as well. And, as long as you're not 40-hour bloody sessions just sat there with a McDonald's, like I say, I'm on my bike. But I may create a punk gaming esport team. I've been talking about doing that. So it is a journey of, can I take my knowledge in tech and business? Oh God, I'm not very good at business. I create this side of it where you are watching now, a training channel, and then a completely other side of it where it's a completely outdoors business. And that may include merch, obviously the Happy Me stuff. Happy Me still lives on the punk merch. So it might be Happy Me Golf, it might be Geopunk, Happy Me Gaming or Punk Gaming. I haven't worked it out, but I think what I'll do is I'll report back in maybe once a month on this channel and say, this is what we've done, these are the things that have happened, this is how many people are in the forum, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3 subscribers on the Punk channel. So go over and support the Punk. Not support. Come and join the clan. Come and join the whatever it is. I don't want people to love it. I want people to think, oh, there might be some geocachers near me. Oh, I might go and try golf. Maybe looking at Paul's videos when he goes to football, it's not as dangerous as people seem to think. Or other events. British Superbike's an unbelievable day out. I've never seen anybody in Britain. I mean, and it's not to say it doesn't happen, but they clean up after themselves. That's, nobody reports on stuff like that, though, do they? But it's not, no, look how good Superbikes is versus football. It's get out and do shit, innit? We're going to get out and do events. We're going to get out and do stuff. But can we make a business out of it? Can we earn subscribers? Can we earn people to want to wear the merch and things like that? We have to earn those followers. I don't want people to follow. That's the thing. I want people to know it's their Happy Me. This is me doing stuff I want to do to get out of this room. I want you to get out of your room as well. Get off the fucking internet and go get them. So stay tuned. Come and join us. Give me some ideas or your thoughts. Jeez, I rambled on there, didn't I? But it's all new and it's starting today.